Because freedom is the most precious and most beautiful thing that human being can have, you know. Yeah, and if you look at one of the most important things in life is freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of expression, and also freedom of press.
So, what would you like to tell to the Tibetans, especially to the ones inside Tibet?
I will, just say stay strong. Staying strong is the most important thing. My last message for my, Tibetan brothers and sisters. Now I'm an American citizen, and for sure, one day I would love to come to Tibet and organize a basketball camp for my Tibetan brothers and sisters because I know how big the basketball is over there.